There's a growing appetite for authentic, restaurant-quality pizza at home, and more people are turning to dedicated pizza ovens to achieve that perfect crust and bubbling cheese. These ovens bring high heat and even cooking that your regular kitchen ovens simply can't match, creating the kind of pizza you'd expect from a wood-fired pizzeria. In this video, we'll count down the top 6 best pizza ovens available today, highlighting their key features and what to keep in mind when choosing the right one for you. Links to all the products mentioned are included in the description below. Number 6. Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven Plus. The Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven Plus stands out with its ability to function not just as a pizza oven, but also as a full grill and griddle. This makes it a versatile choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want more than just pizza. Compact and portable, it's a smart fit for patios, decks, or even small balconies. Fueled by propane, it heats up quickly, letting you cook not just pizzas, but burgers, pancakes, or grilled vegetables with ease. Its compact design makes storage simple, and it's easy to set up and get cooking. This model is great for anyone looking for more than just a dedicated pizza oven. If you're a casual backyard cook who enjoys variety and flexibility, this oven can cover a lot of ground. It's especially handy for those who entertain often but don't want a collection of single-use appliances taking up space. The Cuisinart 3-in-1 weighs about 45 pounds and measures approximately 20 by 25 inches, making it manageable to move around. It can reach temperatures of up to 700 Fahrenheit and cooks a pizza in about 5 to 7 minutes. The included grill and griddle plates are easy to swap out, and the build quality feels sturdy despite the affordable price point. Its portability is a big plus if you like to rearrange your outdoor setup. However, the cooking surface is smaller than some dedicated pizza ovens, and getting the temperature just right may take some practice, especially when switching between pizza and grilling modes. Overall, the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven Plus is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a multi-purpose outdoor cooking solution that can handle pizza, grilling, and more with minimal fuss. Number 5. Solo Pi Prime. The Solo Pi Prime is a sleek, wood-fired pizza oven designed to bring artisan-style pizza to your backyard, with a modern, polished look that fits beautifully on any patio. Famous for its signature wood-burning flavor, the Solo Pi Prime delivers pizzas with that unmistakable smoky taste you can't replicate in a conventional oven. Its stainless steel construction gives it both durability and a contemporary appeal, while the compact design means it won't overwhelm your outdoor space. The small footprint makes it a practical choice even for modest patios or decks. This oven is ideal for pizza enthusiasts who want a truly authentic wood-fired experience at home. It's best suited for those who don't mind adding wood and keeping an eye on the fire as it cooks, a process that's part of the charm for many. The Solo Pi Prime heats to around 900 Fahrenheit and can cook a pizza in as little as 2 minutes once it's fully up to temperature. The wood tray is easy to load and clean, and the oven is well insulated, retaining heat efficiently, so you can cook multiple pizzas back to back without losing too much heat in between. Its stone baking surface provides a crisp, evenly cooked crust. One of its strengths is how well it retains heat compared to some smaller wood ovens, though it does take longer to heat up than gas-powered alternatives. Cleanup also takes a little more effort since you'll need to remove ash and wipe down the interior periodically. For those chasing that authentic wood-fired flavor at home, the Solo Pi Prime is a perfect match, delivering both performance and style in a compact package. Number 4. Ninja Artisan Portable Electric Pizza Oven. The Ninja Artisan Portable Electric Pizza Oven is a compact, no-fuel pizza oven that runs on electricity, eliminating the need for gas or wood while still producing delicious results. This plug-and-play model is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it versatile no matter where you live. It features adjustable heat zones so you can control the cooking of both the crust and the toppings for better results. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to set up, store, and move around, perfect for anyone short on space. It's perfect for urban dwellers or anyone without outdoor space who still wants to enjoy homemade pizza. This oven is also a smart choice for beginners or anyone looking for maximum convenience without fussing over fuel or fire. The Ninja Artisan reaches temperatures of about 750 Fahrenheit and heats up fast, cooking a pizza in roughly 6 to 7 minutes. The digital controls are straightforward, letting you set the temperature and time with precision, while the separate heat zones help ensure an evenly cooked crust and toppings. Its non-stick interior and smooth surfaces make cleanup quick and easy, and it takes up minimal space when not in use. However, because it's electric, it tops out at a lower maximum heat than some wood or gas models, which may mean slightly less char on the crust. Additionally, the power cord limits how far you can place it from an outlet, which can be a consideration if using outdoors. For anyone looking for a convenient, easy-to-use pizza oven without dealing with gas or wood, the Ninja Artisan Portable Electric Pizza Oven is an excellent option that balances portability, ease, and performance. Number 3. Gozney Roccbox. The Gozney Roccbox is a portable, professional-grade pizza oven that delivers impressive performance yet remains surprisingly easy to use for home cooks. With a sturdy, commercial-inspired design, it's built to last and perform under demanding conditions. Primarily gas-powered, it can also accommodate wood cooking with an optional attachment, giving you more flexibility. The heavy-duty construction and thick insulation ensure consistent heat and reliable cooking, even after multiple pizzas. Its rugged look and feel make it feel like a serious piece of equipment without being intimidating. It's perfect for serious pizza lovers who care about achieving high-quality, consistent results. The Roccbox also works well for backyard parties or even professionals who need something portable enough to take on the road but powerful enough for large gatherings. The Gozney Roccbox heats up to about 950 Fahrenheit and cooks pizzas in as little as 90 seconds, letting you serve many guests quickly. Its thick stone floor retains heat beautifully, creating crispy, evenly cooked crusts without constant reheating. The Safe Touch silicone jacket stays cool to the touch, reducing the risk of burns. A thoughtful addition, especially when cooking around kids. At around 44 pounds, it's heavier than many other portable options, which adds to its stability but also makes it less convenient to carry. Despite being marketed as portable, its weight and bulk may be a challenge if you plan to move it often. For those looking to bring restaurant-quality pizza into their backyard, the Gozney Roccbox delivers excellent results, blending professional performance with enough ease of use for the home chef. Number 2. Ooni Karu 2 Pro. The Ooni Karu 2 Pro is a highly versatile pizza oven that can burn wood, charcoal, or gas, with an optional attachment giving you ultimate flexibility in how you cook. Built with sleek and durable stainless steel, this oven is as attractive as it is functional. Its dual-fuel capability appeals to users who want the freedom to switch between traditional wood-fired flavor and the convenience of gas. The oven's wide opening and spacious interior make it possible to cook larger pizzas comfortably, which is great for entertaining or feeding a crowd. This oven is ideal for someone who enjoys having options and wants the ability to experiment with different cooking methods. It's especially suited for more experienced cooks who appreciate managing heat and airflow and who like tailoring their technique to achieve the perfect pizza. The Ooni Karu 2 Pro reaches a maximum temperature of about 950 Fahrenheit and cooks pizzas in as little as 90 seconds when properly preheated. Its large cooking surface can handle pizzas up to 16 inches in diameter, which sets it apart from many smaller models on the market. The oven is designed with excellent heat retention, ensuring consistent performance even when cooking several pizzas in succession. Its thoughtful airflow control makes it easier to maintain steady heat, though managing multiple fuel types does involve a bit of a learning curve. The setup is also more involved than a single fuel oven, since you'll need to switch between burners or load wood and charcoal, depending on your choice of fuel. For those who want it all, the flexibility to choose their fuel, the power to reach professional-grade heat, and the ability to make large, delicious pizzas, the Ooni Karu 2 Pro is an excellent choice that combines performance and versatility beautifully. Number 1. Ooni Koda 2 Pro. The Ooni Koda 2 Pro stands as the ultimate gas-powered pizza oven for home chefs who want a balance of simplicity, speed, and professional-level performance without the hassle of managing a fire. With its sleek, minimalist design, this oven looks as good as it cooks. It runs entirely on propane by default, though you can opt for a natural gas conversion kit if preferred. Despite its powerful output, the Koda 2 Pro is lightweight and portable, making it easy to move and store between uses. The clean lines and stainless steel construction give it a polished look that fits seamlessly into any backyard setup. This model is great for anyone who values ease of use while still achieving high-quality results. Families, beginners, or anyone who doesn't want to deal with wood, charcoal, or ash cleanup will appreciate how straightforward it is to operate. Even experienced cooks will enjoy its reliability and efficiency when making large batches of pizza for gatherings. The Ooni Koda 2 Pro heats up impressively fast, reaching temperatures close to 950 Fahrenheit in about 15 minutes. At full heat, it cooks a pizza in as little as 60 to 90 seconds, which means you can serve multiple pies quickly without losing momentum. The oven is compact and weighs around 40 pounds, making it one of the more portable options on the market without sacrificing a sturdy feel. Its wide baking surface accommodates pizzas up to 16 inches, offering plenty of space for generous toppings and thicker crusts if desired. The heat distribution is even, ensuring that both the crust and toppings cook properly every time. The main limitation to keep in mind is that it only runs on gas. There's no wood-burning option for those who want that smoky flavor, but that also keeps it cleaner and easier to manage. For anyone seeking a reliable, no-fuss pizza oven that consistently delivers professional quality results at home, the Ooni Koda 2 Pro is a top choice that combines speed, power, and ease perfectly. That wraps up our list of the top 6 pizza ovens to help you create delicious, restaurant-style pizza right at home. When choosing the right one for you, think about what matters most, whether it's fuel type, size, portability, or ease of use. Thanks for watching and taking the time to learn more about these options. Links to all the products mentioned can be found in the description below.